Hello everyone, and welcome back to our MedRx Talk channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects many people, the hidden world of interactions between herbal supplements and warfarin. If you're someone you know is taking this medication, you won't want to miss this. Let's start by unlocking a key secret. Herbal supplements, while natural, are not always harmless, especially when mixed with medications like warfarin. Warfarin is a powerful anticoagulant or blood thinner that requires a very delicate balance to work correctly. Its job is to prevent blood clots, but this balance can be easily disrupted. So, how do herbs get involved? Well, many herbs can interfere with the way our bodies process warfarin. They can either increase its effect, raising the risk of dangerous bleeding, or decrease its effect, which could lead to blood clots forming when they shouldn't. This isn't a small issue. It's something every warfarin user needs to be aware of. Let's talk about some common culprits. St. John's wort, often used for mood support, can speed up the breakdown of warfarin in your body, making it less effective. On the other hand, herbs like ginseng, quai, and even common ingredients like garlic and ginger in high doses can have blood-thinning properties of their own. When you combine them with warfarin, you're essentially amplifying its effect, which could lead to unexpected bruising or more serious bleeding. This brings us to a classic dilemma: nature versus medicine. Many people turn to herbal remedies for their perceived natural benefits, but when you're on a prescription medication like warfarin, this can create serious problems. It's not about choosing one over the other. It's about understanding how they can work against each other. Another major player in this equation is vitamin K. Many leafy green vegetables and some herbs are rich in vitamin K, which is the direct antidote to warfarin. It helps your blood clot. You don't need to avoid these foods entirely, but the key is consistency. A sudden increase in your vitamin K intake can counteract warfarin, making it less effective. The goal is to maintain a steady, consistent weekly intake of vitamin K so your warfarin dose can be adjusted correctly. So, what's the ultimate guide to safely navigating this complex landscape? The single most important tool is your INR level. INR, or International Normalized Ratio, is a blood test that measures how long it takes your blood to clot. Regular monitoring is absolutely essential. It allows your healthcare team to see how your body is responding to your current dose and make adjustments if an interaction is suspected. Being educated is your best defense. Know the potential side effects of an interaction. Signs that your blood is too thin include unusual bleeding from your gums, frequent nosebleeds, bruises that appear without a clear cause, or cuts that take a long time to stop bleeding. On the flip side, if your blood is too thick, you might be at risk for clots, which can have very serious consequences. The most critical takeaway from all of this is communication. Before you even think about starting any new herbal supplement, tea, or even a drastic dietary change, you must talk to your doctor or pharmacist. They are your partners in health. They can review the potential interactions, advise you on what's safe, and ensure your treatment plan remains effective. Never make changes on your own. Your safety is the #1 priority. Navigating warfarin therapy can feel complicated, but with the right knowledge and open communication with your healthcare providers, you can manage it safely and effectively. We hope this guide has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health insights. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and should not replace medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting or stopping any herbal supplements. Stay safe and be well.